Hey guys, Cam Mayville here, and I wanted to just drop in today. First, Courtney, thanks for having me part of this coaching group. You are becoming an icon in this industry. People really look up to you, so you're doing some great stuff, and I appreciate that. I also appreciate you talking with me and letting me be part of this because, you know, I see a lot of times in this industry where people are being pointed in the wrong directions of how to do things. Kind of what I mean by that is, you know, let's take crocking and bleeding, for example. You know, a lot of people think they're the same things, and they're not. And so some people will say, oh, well, you do this. But the problem is they'll give you how to do something, and they don't tell you the positives and the negative effects of what you're doing. And so when you get a result and you get that confidence, you run out and you start cleaning this major bleeder or this major, let's say a Harry's crock rug that's going to crock everywhere. All of a sudden you go into the mode of doing what they told you to do, and then something else happens. And when it does, you don't know how to get out of that situation, and that's when the frantic phone calls start coming to someone like me. So my job is to take everyone and get them to where they have the confidence, but they also understand the positive and negative effects of what they do, so they can get a great result in the end. So that's my big thing is education. Yes, I sell equipment, product, all that stuff, but the truth of the matter is, I can't sell a damn thing unless I educate you the right way. So it's my job to see you go as far as you can go, and that's what I want to do. I started out with pretty much nothing when I started rug cleaning. I had no residential clients to go after for rugs, even though I was a carpet cleaner. I was an apartment guy. And we decided we had to find out how to grow this thing, and we've been very fortunate. Everything I have learned, I didn't go sit there and study. I didn't go sit there on YouTube and watch video after video. I went to who my mentors were, Paul Lucas, Lynn Hall, Lisa Wagner. There's a whole bunch of them. Nathan Coots, Anthony Belmont, great people, and I learned a lot from them. And then I was able to formulate how to teach people how to do things better, which has worked out great. So today I just want to kind of give you a little bit of who I am, but I'm also going to give you a couple quick tips because I know most of you are probably not into rug cleaning yet, but when you start doing them, you're probably going to be doing them on your driveway, maybe in your shop, in your bay. You're going to do some top-down cleaning, which is fine. I hope most of you will make a decision not to clean rugs in a home, but if you do, would I still be there to help you? Heck yeah, that's what I do. But I see a lot of bad things go on when people clean rugs in a home. Sometimes you can clean 100 and nothing happens. And all of a sudden, 101, everything falls apart. We don't want to see that happen to you. So we can give you tips and tricks and stuff like that. And I'll try to do that more in here. But today I'm going to give you a small one that annoys me. And you guys may look at me or look at this tip and go, are you serious? Okay. And here it's actually two tips. The first one is this. If you're doing a full wash on a rug, you do not spray the rug. Okay. Get the carpet cleaning mentality. Take it, chuck it out the door. Okay. Get rid of it. Because if you go with that mentality, you won't be a great rug cleaner. So you never spray rugs. When you're putting, you're doing decontamination with urine or you're cleaning or whatever it is, you do not spray, okay? So what happens is you're gonna end up using what we call, let me grab it here. By the way, thanks to my daughter who is going, oh my God, Dad, I gotta do this again. She is behind the camera and she is an amazing repair person, and she can also help if you ever need something you can call. She can help you with a lot of things. Okay. So here, you guys seen this before. Remember Grandma had this, maybe your mom had this. They go around watering all the flowers and everything. And you can see about how the product comes out, okay? Now, you can look at this, look at how wore out that is, okay? It's rusting up a little bit, and that's what they do. But here's the thing. This is what you're gonna use to apply your product. After you flush the toilet, that's what I like to call it, flush that toilet, you're running water through the rug, and you got it rinsed. You're gonna then put your shampoo on. You're gonna put it on with this nice and even. Not a lot. Now, so you got to remember, shampoo is very concentrated. And so I'm going to mix up normally a gallon and a half, and I can do an 8x10 front and back with this. So that's how you're going to put it on. Now, here's one of the tips. This is the second tip. First one was to use this when you're putting your product on. But the next one is the holes. If you look at these holes, they're really small. I know, kind of hard to see, okay? All you need to do is you can take a very small screwdriver or something, and just go to each hole and take a hammer and just pop, 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 pop. And you'll open those holes up a little bit. That way, when you're applying your product, you can move a little quicker and they don't clog up as easy, okay? And then when you're done, at the end of the night, I simply just take it and I put it like that in my 5-gallon bucket and I leave it. That way the next morning it's drained, it's still not wet, and it's not having any issues, okay? So yeah, these are just little things, but they'll make your life so much easier. You have to remember, in cleaning rugs, you know, you're charging anywhere from $3 to $5 a square foot just to clean. So when you have a big 8x10 and you're still cleaning carpets to make a living, you're probably gonna clean that 8x10 when you come back at night, right? Or maybe in the morning before you leave. Speed is an issue. So we wanna be able to apply product fast and get those bottlenecks, you know, get past those bottlenecks. And one of them is applying products, drying rugs, dusting rugs, where to hang the rugs. All those things are issues. So, and we'll talk about more of this stuff as we go along. You guys can always just put a post into this group and put, Cam, we would like you to talk about this. We would like you to talk about that. Whatever it is, let me know. I'll be happy to do it. So you guys know my number is 402-510-0775. As part of being in this coaching group and a lot of what I do, you can call me at any time and it's free. I do not charge for my time. I will be more than happy to help you. You know, other than that, hopefully we'll start doing this maybe every other week or so, but we'll see you again. Until next, keep it clean.